Today I'm going to show you how to access the new Bing AI in Microsoft Edge step by step so you can start using built-in AI tools faster and more efficiently. This is a quick and simple tutorial, and by the end you'll know exactly where to click to open it. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're using Microsoft Edge. This feature is built into Edge, so you'll want to open the browser on your computer and let it load fully. Once Edge is open, look toward the right side of the screen where the sidebar is located. The new Bing AI access is tied to that sidebar, so that's where we need to go. Now focus on the top right corner of the sidebar. You should see a search icon there. This is the key button you need to click. Go ahead and click that search icon in the top right corner of the sidebar, and that will open the Bing AI experience inside Edge. Depending on your version of Edge and your sign-in status, it may open a search panel, an AI chat panel, or a Bing-powered assistant area. Either way, that search icon is the entry point. If you do not see the sidebar right away, look for the Edge sidebar button and make sure it's enabled. In some versions of Edge, the sidebar can be hidden or minimized, so you may need to expand it first. Once it's visible, the search icon will usually appear near the top, making it easy to access. After clicking the search icon, you may be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. If that happens, just follow the on-screen steps and complete the login. Signing in helps connect the AI features to your browser and gives you access to a more personalized experience. Once you're signed in, the Bing AI tools should open right away. From there, you can start using Bing AI in Edge for things like asking questions, summarizing content, or getting help while browsing. It's designed to make searching and learning much faster, especially when you want answers without opening a separate website. So again, the main thing to remember is this. Open Microsoft Edge, go to the sidebar, and click the search icon in the top right corner. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.